Fab Fit Fun Box has arrived, and it does look a little beat up, I'm not gonna lie. There's like that, and there's like a big dent in it, but don't judge a box by its cover. Okay, so check out like the magazines and all these notes. And you know the oh, okay, so I got $15 off to give to a friend. And so there's some stuff. So it looks like this. It says 11, which is by Venus, so that's Venus Williams brand, and this is going to be the gym bag, so it unzips like that, and this like re-zips. There is cat hair flying everywhere as I do this, from my cats, not because there was cat hair in the box. So, pretty nice size gym bag. I mean, it's honestly kind of flimsy, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I guess it's just really thin. I guess it's like a good travel size gym bag if you don't have one. I have a pretty good size duffel bag though that I use as a gym bag, so I don't really need this. But I'm sure one of my little sisters could use it for like PE or something. Okay, so then we have Private Party beach towel. Chicken, stop. Stop. Cat is trying to knock the camera cord. Okay. So I'm gonna open this. Okay. So this is actually really soft. It says, beach please. I don't know how well you can see that. Again, it's really thin, but it's really soft, so let's see if it tells us a little bit about this towel. Okay. Your beach trip isn't complete without this cute oversized towel. It's made from 100% poly microfiber to keep any sand from sticking. Oh, so that's cool. So sand doesn't stick to it. That's actually really neat. And I think me and the boyfriend are going to the beach tomorrow, so I'll get to test this bad boy out. Okie dokie. So then I got a Hava Leave On Dead Sea Mud Mud Intensive Foot Cream. So you just, yeah, you just rub it into your feet, I guess. So that's good. I mean, it's like, you know, summer and you're wearing a lot of flip-flops, and you know, in Florida you're pretty much always in flip-flops, so gotta have fresh feet. So this is Mandarin Orange and Bergamot Aromatic Body Lotion by Vida. Let's take this off and smell it, because I just smelled like the bottle and it didn't smell that good, so hopefully the actual lotion. It smells better. You know what it smells like right now? Hold on, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. Oh, okay, yeah, it actually smells really good. I was smelling like the container, and it smelled like, do you ever have like a baby doll when you were little and you like smelled their head and it was like that baby powder smell? So I was like, oh my goodness. But that must have just been the bottle of lotion, the actual lotion. It smells good. It's like citrusy. You can definitely smell the mandarin and the orange. So, and I thought like mandarin orange was a thing, but it literally says mandarin, comma, orange. Two separate things. So, okay. Then, Renewing Eye Cream by Murad, Resurgence. So this, you just like pat around the eye morning or night. It's supposed to rejuvenate your eyes. Okay, that's cool. So then I got some strengthening nail and cuticle serum. So I'm actually really excited about this because I've been wanting cuticle serum for a while now. So I'm excited about that one. So it looks like they sent me mascara by this makeup brand that is like really popular. Not so excited about this because I don't actually wear mascara. I'll wear it if I am like getting pictures taken or have like a job interview or something like that. But I have like one mascara that I always wear when I have to because I really like it. So I'm not a big like experimenter. This will probably go like, my other one will take forever to use it up because I never use it. I mean, it expires every like 6 months. So I guess I could try this like next time. I don't know. I'll probably give it to my sister, honestly. A little disappointed in that because I definitely filled out in my profile that I don't wear makeup. And if I do, it's concealer or lip gloss. But they sent me mascara. But let's see if it was something they sent everyone. So it says it was a customization, that I could have chosen the mascara or the hydrating boost for your skin. I definitely would have chosen the hydrating boost, so I don't think I customized this one. Oh, you can only customize that part if you're a select member. Okay, well that's a little disappointing, but whatever. Oh, okay, and then I got this, which is kind of cool. Ooh. It's like a little tray for jewelry and stuff, which is super cute because I love organizing and I love for everything to have a home. So this is just another little like home for some things. So that's really exciting. So I did a special deal with this one. So I only paid $29.99 for this box. And it says that the overall value is $238 to $340, depending on what you got. So I mean, again, it's a good deal. How many of these things am I really going to use? Probably this tray for sure. This towel. Cuticle cream or cuticle oil. And maybe the hand lotion. I'll keep it in my office at work and do that there. So I mean, all of that stuff combined is still more than $29.99, like what I paid for the box. So it's still a pretty good deal. Am I going to keep my subscription? I don't know, because I won't get the $29.99 deal next time. It'll be the $49.99. And I don't know if I want to pay $50 for 2 or 3 things that I'm going to use. I probably won't continue my subscription just for that reason. But then again, I'm not a big beauty products person, so like the makeup, I'm not really going to use. The eye renewing cream, you know, the intense foot lotion, like I'm so busy, I don't have time to like sit and use these things. But that's just a personal thing. So like the amount of uses I'm gonna get out of this mud foot stuff, I don't know. I don't know if it would be worth that. Yeah, so I guess I will do like a review in a week or 2 after I've had a chance to see if I use everything or if I use everything. And I'll make up my mind then, because I have until the next box ships to cancel my subscription, so we'll see. I might end up liking this stuff more than I think. But yeah, I definitely think I get really excited over like a few things in the box. This is my second box now, and kind of the same thing. I got really excited over a few things. Some things were like cool bonuses, and then other things were like, I'm probably never going to use this. Like in my first box, I have yet to use that jump rope. I have yet to use the translucent setting powder. I have yet to use the leave-in hair conditioner spray. I rarely use, actually I haven't used the body scrub that they sent me either, in the first box. And then I rarely use like the other stuff. So I don't know. It's fun to treat yourself, but I just wish the box was more specific to what you liked. I get that they're trying to like get you to try things that you might not always know that you like wanted or needed, but I don't know, Fab Fit fun. I don't know.